The sea, we call it the God for us because it's control everything. A country like us is like very exposed to the disasters. The number one hazard in Timor-Leste is the drought. The second one is the cyclone. And the third one is the landslide. We don't have like enough observation because for this early warning, we need data. You want to build a road, you need some data from the rainfall to know. You know, for the public health, if you know like when the rain are going to start, you need to prepare because there will be dengue outbreaks. If there is malnutrition, people cannot go to school. This is very important, not just for me, like personally, but for the country. This kind of project really helped us. It's kind of very simple, but I mean, if you go to the multi-purpose, it will be kind of backbone for our development because it will help our decision maker to take decision based on the data that we will collect.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Andrews,
climate scientist,
ocean adventurer,
and systems specialist at NexSens. Timor-Leste occupies the eastern part of the island of Timor and is Asia's youngest country. With long coastlines and some of the most biodiverse waters in the world, Timor-Leste's connection to the sea is of massive social importance. But historically, tide monitoring relied on legacy systems, which had long fallen into disrepair. Without access to real-time oceanographic data, authorities had to depend on static tide tables or generic forecasts, limiting capabilities for shipping, navigation, and forecasting. So therefore, in August 2025, 2 new oceanographic and meteorological systems were installed along Timor-Leste's northern coast, one in the capital here at Dili, and another 400 kilometers west in the exclave of Okusi. And this was all done as part of a United Nations project. Natividade Rodriguez works here in Timor-Leste as part of RIMES, the Regional Integrated Multi-Hazard Early Warning System.
RIMES is an intergovernmental organization. It's based in Bangkok. It's formed after the tsunami 2004. The hazard like tsunami, it affects every country. So we support our member country to enhance the monitoring. Now we are working with a project from the UNEP, United Environmental Program. It's funded by Green Climate Fund. So the project objective is to enhance the early warning system to build the greater resilience for Timorese people facing the hydrometeorological hazard. Here we are one of the technical partners that supports the government of Timor-Leste to set up the observation system like tide gauges, marine buoy.
Equipment was supplied by one of NexSens distributors, the Malaysian-based LC Instrumentation and Services, and they operate throughout Southeast Asia. The 2 radar water level systems consist of a NexSens X3 data logger equipped with 4G cellular, a Geolux LX80 radar water level sensor to measure tides, and a C-Metrics PT12 BV for barometric pressure and temperature readings.
It's new technology, but it's compact, so it's very easy to install. There's no lot of spare parts that you need to work on. You just have like 3 or 4 like wire, and then some solar panel and battery you plug in, and then you configure by yourself. In country like us, we have like very kind of limited capacity to do this. So if we have like one sensor that can do the same with the like kind of other sensors, but it's easy to install, we will try to opt to this option because it will be easier for us to operate and also maintain it. The new one that we just installed, it's a trader, so it will be it's like less interference. And also it's coming with the solar panel, so it's like kind of standalone. You don't need like, if you have blackout, you still have the data.
The LC team was on hand to help with the installation and provide capacity building sessions, ensuring the sustainability and longevity of this project.
We involved all the key stakeholders from the marine sectors, Navy, from the UPM, the Maritime Police, from the Port Authority, Fisheries Department, and then Environmental Protection also will be here. And we also have representatives from the Civil Protection. It takes 2 days for the installation. 1 day just unboxing the things, explain all the sensors to our participants, and then the second day we install the deployment and then some training.
Data is transmitted every 10 minutes from the X3 data logger to servers, where it's then fed into the ocean state forecast and advisory system model.
Timor-Leste, we are surrounded by sea, right? So that's like most of our activities happening in the sea. So we have something like monitor sea. It will be beneficial for all the sectors. The data that we are having here, it will be used for the different kind of purpose. So for the Met Department and then Civil Protection, they will use more to the early warning system. For the Navy and the Police Maritime, they will use for the search and rescue or plan some operation in the sea. For the Port Authority also, they will give this information to the captain, because this will concern about the safety of the maritime transport and the fisheries activities also. For the biodiversity and the environment, this will go to the country research for them. Every 10 minutes, the data coming in to our servers, so we can monitor from them. We usually use the charts that come in from the satellite, and if we have this data, we can also calibrate based on the local condition. If you already put in the model, you can also see for the next 5 days, 3 days. Once you have the data, you need to communicate it to the community, especially the one that in the risk area. So how we communicate this data, because this is very technical data, you need to transform it to the information so everyone also can understand what's coming.
Despite increasing exposure to more violent hazards, the world's least developed countries and small island developing states have less than 10% of the data they need for effective alert and early warning systems. This data, used by both the local population and as part of models on a near-continental scale, is supporting a major step forward in safeguarding Timor-Leste's coastline and its population. Visit nexsens.com for more information. NexSens. Better data. It's never been easier.